In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and print your tax documents in the Dasher app. If you're a Dasher and need a clean copy of your tax forms, I'll walk you through the exact path in the mobile app and share a few tips so the file saves correctly. Start by opening the Dasher app on your phone. For the smoothest experience, make sure the app is updated through the App Store or Google Play, that you're signed in and that you have a stable internet connection. If the app asks for permissions to store files, allow them so you can save the PDF later. From the main screen, look along the bottom and tap the Earnings tab. This is where your weekly summaries and payouts live, and it's the starting point for official paperwork. Inside Earnings, select View Payout Details. That opens your detailed payout history and the links you'll use to access tax forms. Next, tap Tax Documents. This takes you to the section that stores your annual forms in PDF format. If you don't immediately see the document you expect, that's normal early in the year. Forms appear once they're released for that tax season, so check back later or update the app if it's been a while. Choose the tax year you need, like 2024 or 2025. Tax documents are organized by calendar year, so select the year that matches the return you're filing. Take a second to confirm you picked the correct year before downloading. Now tap the form to open the PDF. Give it a moment to load fully. Once the preview appears, look for the share or download icon, often a box with an arrow or a downward arrow. If you don't see it right away, tap the three-dot menu. Use that option to save a copy to your device, your Files app, or a trusted cloud service. Consider renaming the file with the year and a simple label like Dasher Tax 2024 so it's easy to find later. If you want a paper copy, choose Print from the same menu and select your printer. Before printing, confirm page size, orientation, and that Fit to Page is enabled so nothing gets cut off. After saving, open the file from where you stored it to make sure it downloaded correctly and the text is crisp. Keep this PDF in a secure folder and back it up. You may need it for your records or when working with a tax professional. If a document seems missing, verify the year filter or try updating the app. If it still doesn't appear later in the season, contact support for guidance. And that's it. You've accessed, saved, and printed your Dasher tax documents right from the app.